How to make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. So here is a step-by-step guide to create a Facebook page for your YouTube channel, perfect for growing your audience and increasing engagement. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your personal Facebook account. Don't worry, your page is separate from your profile, but first of all, you'll need to log into your personal account. Now, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard menu icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Facebook menu section. Now, just scroll down and tap on the See More option available there. From there, tap on the Pages. Inside Pages, you'll get to see Create option available at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the Create. Now, once you tap on the Create, you will be navigated to fill in the basic details. Now, use the YouTube channel name as your page name. So if my YouTube channel name is Hio, I'm keeping my page name as same as well. After that, simply tap on the next button available there and choose your category. Choose video creator, entertainment or public figure or musician or any brand option available there. Then describe your channel's theme, upload schedule or what viewers can expect. Then simply tap on the creators option available there. You can see two options available, business and creator. Tap on the creator and continue. Now tap on the next button available there and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Facebook page. And finally, all you have to do is tap on the create page option available there, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.